can't get any better than this. It's a set of 3.
You.
They're rocking. They're awesome.
Gosh.
They all nest, and they're stinking adorable.
And we just debuted them. So just full disclosure, these are our seasonal patterns. We only carry them this time of year, and we've never done anything like this in all of the different shapes. Huge request by all of you. We did a half quart, we did a 1.5 quart, and we did a 2.5 quart. Do they all nest? They absolutely do. Do they all go in the oven up to 500 degrees? Yes. The microwave, the fridge, the freezer, and the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean. And our bowls are bakers as well.
And we call this one our heart.
This is our romance.
Our romance.
And then if you take a peek right down in the front of the ledge, we continued on with, of course, our shamrock.
Come
so
on,
all your
Tara.
quart capacity will be the same, but look how adorable. Your half quart, your 1.5, and your 2.5 quart. So there's your shamrock. We did firework.
Has David seen this?
Love he has.
For all his
Yes,
July
he
4th
sang.
celebrations
He sang.
and parties?
Yes.
Okay.
Baby, you're a
As if on cue.
Right, you called it.
I mean, perfect. So there, of course, if you're picking up firework, and I love this for all your barbecues, your pasta salad, potato salad, amazing.
That is our most limited.
Oh,
of the
good to
choice.
know.
Yep.
First time we have ever done our summer in a shell pattern. So summer has that really beautiful shell detail carved or right into the side of the baker, and then color saturated around it. And then there was just another peek at, of course, firework, where we mixed and matched a blue bowl, a red bowl, and again, you have that detail on the outside.
This is the July 4th barbecue that I want to be at.
Yes,
I mean,
you are
look
welcome.
Imagine your spread, your buffet table, how gorgeous that looks. This is 4 easy payments of $9.16, and already you all are loving the romance because Valentine's Day is just around the corner. But again, this is more than just a pretty bowl. This
Yes.
is a workhorse, true vessel to cook in, for sure.
Yeah, and you know what I love about this? First of all, the fact that you just don't see spinach and artichoke dip anymore. But the other thing that I love is that you're baking in here, you're making in here, and then you're serving in here. So what I love is, first of all, if you're new to stoneware, you can pull everything right away from the edges, naturally non-stick, which we love, so you get that even heating all the way around. But then again, you're not transferring from dish to dish. You're literally prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in these pieces. Does this not smell amazing?
They just don't. You
And
can't find it
just
on
don't make
menus
spin-
anymore,
it's,
right?
It's so true. I don't know what happened.
What about these little pieces?
Oh, they're
I know
adorable.
Gonna ask in the
Yeah,
chat.
so
Are they
they're available
Okay.
on QVC.com. Yeah, for sure. You can go check the whole collection of shamrocks. We even had the shamrocks in our first item that we showed you earlier with David. So again, I love these for little portion controls, little individual portions, things you want to do for that.
300 sets now been spoken for. Think about what's inside your cabinets right now.
Yeah.
Is this the collection of bowls that you have?
Probably.
Mixed, matched, metal. Are they old? They don't look so pretty. This is not something that you want to set on your dinner table.
Right.
Or the buffet table. This is, Temp-tations is, it's beautiful. It's bringing family back. This is why you created Temp-tations 17
years ago.
It was like
Exactly.
child labor laws. Did you do that like in 5th grade?
Yeah,
About the
right.
whole Temp-tations
Yeah,
line?
sure.
And at this price, $36 for 3 stoneware bowls that are beautifully hand painted. This color does not fade.
Right.
When you wash it and you throw it in the
It's not gonna
dishwasher,
scratch or-
it's beautiful
Yep.
years to come.
Exactly. So half quart, 1.5 quart, and of course your 2.5 quart. And I love that we did it in all of our Figural. So your romance is going to be that carved floral heart detail there on the outside. And what I love about the heart bowls is that this is we're hearing from you. This is something you use all year round. But then of course we didn't forget your beautiful shamrocks down in the front on the ledge. We of course did firework in our great star detail. So again, remember all of them will nest down, same capacities. And then so fun and brand new to our collection, not the summer pattern, but actually incorporating it into a shell detail,
That
which
actually
is
provides
so
a nice
stinking
little
cute.
handle,
A little
too.
helper handle,
Right,
absolutely.
to pull that out of the oven. If you want the firework, I have less than 700 to go around. Again, order with a credit card, and for no extra charge, you get to break down this payment to $9.16. Have these ready to go once summer and the bigger entertaining season comes around. Easter, maybe, you could still use shamrock, or you can pull
sure.
out this summer the beautiful shell pattern
Yes.
for your Easter time, because these are the colors. This is like bringing just beauty back to your table.
Absolutely. And I love what you were saying, that not only are they great conductors of hot, but they're also great conductors of cold as well. So your potato salads and your pasta salads and all of the different things. How about, look at this, we did a little pasta salad with shrimp on top of it. chilled it ahead of time. We made it in our little shell, and look how sweet this is. So you have a pasta salad, you have maybe some of your cold seafood salad, and then down here we did a little individual kind of shrimp cocktail for everybody to help. So when we talk about our bowls being bakers as well, yes, they're great for serving, but we actually baked a cake in our romance one. We did a little dessert station. I know many of you said you were picking up multiple sets because you wanted them for the seasons, because it's your way of kind of popping that decoration on without having to commit to a huge bakeware set.
Exactly.
So,
700 sets now spoken for. And look how nice the romance works back to the basket weave that is going
Good
strong
point.
and you're bringing back again, and our foodies are really happy about. Okay, so here's the deal. It's 3 beautiful bowls. Bowls are the most used in our kitchen.
And most requested, for sure.
And you get them for less than $37. 4 easy payments. It's going to go away at the end of the day. Let us know, do you want that beautiful romance? Do you love love? Celebrate love? Romance is going to be the set for you. Shamrock, firework, and the beautiful summer.
Love it.
All right. Love it, Tara. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Okay, David, one last look of the today's special value. But I'm also thinking we get to taste your recipe, so I'm going to join you right now.
I think you should, because I want us to see if we can get a close-up of this, can we? I just called up the weather app for Westchester. Come in a little closer.